this video, I'm going to show you the best and most incredible places in the town of Tulum in Mexico.
Hello and welcome to another episode. Today I'm gonna take the bus and go down to the famous town of Tulum and show you as much as possible. The easiest way to travel around in Mexico is by taking the colectivo buses or ADU buses. I am here in Playa del Carmen now, so we're gonna see if we can find a bus that goes down to Tulum. This highway here goes all through the eastern part of the Yucatan Peninsula, and here's where you have all of the famous tourist destinations: Cancun, Playa del Carmen, Akumal, Tulum and Bacalar.
You will see the colectivo buses everywhere on the streets. It's really cheap, and the 30-minute ride usually costs about 40 pesos, which is around $2. I was in the eastern part of Mexico by the Caribbean Sea and the Yucatan Peninsula. Now going down to Tulum, which is one of the most famous tourist attractions in all of Mexico. I came into downtown Tulum with the bus.
I just got to Tulum. I saw that it's actually pretty far to go to the beach from the town of Tulum.
Downtown Tulum is located around 4 kilometers from the beach, which is about 2.5 miles. The town of Tulum looks just like any other town in Mexico, but some areas have really cool and modern apartments. Tulum is mostly known for its incredible beaches and waterfront hotels and resorts. There is one big road that goes straight down to the beach from the town of Tulum. I was on my way down the road to the Maya ruins, public beaches and the hotel zone. It will take you 45 minutes to walk down to the beach, but only 15 minutes with a bike. You can rent bikes on the side of the road.
Just got a bicycle for 100 pesos for one day, so a little bit less than $5. I just made it down to the beach here in Tulum, and as you can see, there are some people here on the beach, so the beaches have opened.
The seaweed usually comes in during the summer months, when the temperature outside and in the water is a bit higher. All the buildings are located right next to the beach, and there's a vast area of green palm trees and other trees behind. The best time to go to Tulum is between December and May. The hurricane season is between June and November. The landscape is flat, and the famous white sand beaches stretch along the landscape as far as you can see.
Now I've seen the beach side of Tulum, and it seems like we have mostly hotels and resorts here. We have a road that goes all along the beach. I'm gonna take the bicycle and keep going and see what I can find.
I took my bicycle to go and explore all of the hotel zone. I was on my way further down on the really nice road that goes just outside of the beach area. Tulum is still fairly small, but it's growing at a rapid pace.
It's really nice actually, going on this road on the bike. You see a lot of hotels on both sides, and coffee shops and restaurants have also opened. I've been going for about 15 minutes, and almost every single building here is a hotel, private hotel. There's one open beach club here, and I'm gonna go check it out to see if there are any people here.
This is what a typical room in Tulum looks like, with beachfront views and direct access to the beach. The price for a hotel room in the hotel zone area ranges from about $50 and up to a few $100s per night. The average temperature outside is between 80 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit or 26 to 29 degrees Celsius.
Got out on the beach and I saw a lot of people swimming over there, and there are a couple of people over here. The water is actually really nice and clean here, even though we have some seaweed here on the beach. But you can see people cleaning it up over there, and a lot of people are actually swimming and walking here on the beach. Really nice temperature, about 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 25 degrees Celsius. The water is actually clean also. If you are planning on coming to Mexico this season, then now is actually a great time to go, because all the hotels are just now starting to open up, so you're gonna be able to find really cheap deals.
I took my bike and started heading up to the public beaches and the Maya ruins.
Alright, so I went all the way down this whole strip hotel zone. We have some people here, but almost none.
There is only one road you can follow along the beaches, so it's impossible to get lost in Tulum. The public beaches are really incredible, and in this area you have no hotels. Tulum is still an untouched and incredible travel destination, but now it has the highest population growth in all of Mexico. I think that 10 years from now, these green areas will be full of big hotels.
Here we have some much nicer beaches actually up in the north part of town. Really calm, the waves are really small, and really nice palm trees. And we also have the Maya ruins over here that I'm going to show you.
At the end of the public beaches, there is an archaeological site and ruins from the Maya people who constructed a temple around the year 1200. The Mayan people lived in this area, and human sacrifice was a common ritual in their culture. I had seen most of the incredible parts of Tulum, but now it was time to return my bicycle and head back to Playa del Carmen. The nature is really untouched, and I highly recommend going on a trip to Tulum.
I'm on my way back. I've seen everything here in Tulum. Really nice place.
I went on the same road back to catch the Colectivo bus again.
It's time to take the Colectivo back to Playa del Carmen.
If you enjoyed watching this video, please leave it a thumbs up and also post a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.